This ATEC Enterprise Series DDR5 memory kit is built for people who need extreme performance, massive memory capacity, and rock-solid reliability. We're looking at a 512 GB configuration made up of 864 GB DDR5 ECC registered DIMM modules running at 5,600 MHz. And this is the kind of hardware designed for professional environments where heavy workloads never stop. At first glance, the design is simple and professional, exactly what you would expect from enterprise-grade components. There's no unnecessary styling or flashy effects here. Everything is focused on stability, efficiency, and high-performance computing. The biggest feature is obviously the enormous memory capacity. With 512 GB of DDR5 RAM installed, systems can handle advanced virtualization, enterprise databases, AI processing, cloud infrastructure, rendering projects, and large-scale multitasking without struggling under pressure. This is not standard desktop memory. This is serious workstation and server hardware. Each module offers 64 GB capacity, allowing users to push their systems far beyond typical limits. Large datasets remain loaded in memory, virtual machines run more smoothly, and demanding professional applications can operate with significantly better responsiveness. DDR5 technology also brings major improvements over previous generations. Running at 5,600 MHz, this memory kit provides faster bandwidth, improved efficiency, and better overall data handling compared to older DDR4 server memory. Heavy workloads benefit from faster communication between the processor and memory, helping systems stay responsive even during intense operations. One of the most valuable features included in this kit is ECC support. Error-correcting code memory helps identify and fix memory errors automatically before they create stability problems or data corruption. In enterprise environments where uptime and accuracy are critical, ECC memory becomes extremely important. This kit also uses registered DIMM technology, commonly known as RDIMM. Registered memory is designed specifically for compatible server and workstation platforms, improving signal stability and allowing systems to support larger memory capacities more effectively. Before upgrading, users should always confirm motherboard and CPU compatibility with DDR5 ECC RDIMM modules. The dual-rank 2RX4 configuration further improves performance efficiency during demanding workloads. Applications that process large amounts of data can benefit from better memory access and smoother overall operation. Power efficiency is another strong point. Operating at 1.1 volts, these DDR5 modules help reduce power consumption while maintaining strong performance. In systems running continuously for long periods, lower power usage and improved thermal management become extremely valuable. What really stands out with a memory upgrade like this is the overall workflow improvement. Heavy applications feel smoother, multitasking becomes easier, and systems can maintain performance during large-scale operations without constantly relying on slower storage solutions. For professionals working with virtualization, AI models, rendering engines, or enterprise applications, that difference can be massive. Modern computing workloads continue becoming more demanding every year. AI development, cloud computing, data analysis, and virtualization platforms all require higher bandwidth and larger memory capacities than ever before. DDR5 ECC memory kits like this are designed to meet those growing demands while providing enterprise-level reliability. Installation is straightforward for supported server and workstation systems. The modules feel durable and well-built, matching the expectations of professional-grade hardware. Once configured properly, the combination of speed, stability, and capacity creates a seriously powerful memory environment. What makes this upgrade especially impressive is how balanced the overall package feels. Massive capacity, high DDR5 speeds, ECC protection, RDIMM reliability, and efficient power usage all combine to create a solution built for long-term professional use. For creators, developers, engineers, IT professionals, and businesses operating demanding systems, this type of memory upgrade can dramatically improve productivity and performance. While 512 GB of RAM may sound excessive for average users, in enterprise computing environments it can be absolutely essential. Overall, The ATEC Enterprise Series 512GB DDR5 ECC RDIMM kit delivers enterprise-class performance designed for modern servers and professional workstations that require high-capacity memory, strong reliability, and next-generation DDR5 speed.